What's going on, YouTube? Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I just finished it. I gathered up some things. Without further ado, I'll see y'all on the other side. Peace. YouTube, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to get started with a high burst fade. So here you guys are going to see me first step going with my trimmers. I'm setting up the bald guideline, and how I'm doing this burst fade, I'm going all the way towards the back because I'm trying to recreate that V shape in the back. So here you see me, I created that first line and now I'm connecting it. I remove all the excess hair just so it can give me a clean canvas. I go in with my number 2 guard now, and what I'm gonna do here, I'm not gonna try to push it all the way up. So when I reach the top, I'm trying to flick so I blend in with the top. And by doing this, trying to get the rhythm and the motion of the flick, and it'll become a lot easier. Now I'm about to go in with my half guard, and I'm gonna set the line as if I had no guard on my clipper. You guys are gonna see me here put on the number 1, open, flick at that line that's visible, and then go in with my lever open and use my half guard again, just because it creates a little line and it's a lot easier to take out. Just watch. And when I go again in with my half guard, I'm kind of trying to use the corners so I don't recreate another line. I'm just tapping and going, opening and closing my lever. So in other words, this is the process where it's called detailing. I'm just detailing my work and making sure everything's blended in together. And here I use my thinning shears to kind of blend in the little bit of bulk that I seen. This is like the trickiest part for me. I always seem to struggle because I try to get a nice symmetrical V. Let me know anything in the comments what helps you guys doing a V shape burst fade. I feel like I'd struggle a lot with the back, trying to make it nice and symmetrical. Now let's get started with the top with the fun scissor work. So here you can see I split the hair in 3 sections. I got a strip in the middle and 2 on each side, and I just pull it up, and I'm cutting about like a ½ an inch all the way through. And the way I'm doing this, I'm cutting in the shape of the head. So as you guys can see, I'm tilting as an angle as we're going forward, making sure the front is a lot longer than what the back is. You guys can see this side a lot better. I'm not going to show you guys the other side, but how I'm doing it, I'm pulling it up in small sections, pulling all the way up. And the reason why I do this is because the middle is my guideline. So when I pull it up, I'm just evening it out all the way through, and then exactly like I said on the top, following the shape of the head, so I'm rounding off on the sides. I'm not the best at scissor work, but I'm working to get better and improve day by day. But every single haircut would be different in the way you section it out and what type of shape you're looking for. I like doing these techniques and strategies I use because it allows me to add more volume and create a but if you're new here around the head, please drop a like, leave something in the comments, and if you guys wouldn't mind, please subscribe. I'm trying to keep getting better and showing you guys a lot more different styles of haircut. I don't want to be repeating the same haircuts over and over again, but we're about done with this haircut. Hope you guys really enjoyed it and learned something from it. But without further ado, it's your boy JSmooth. Remember, keep a good mood and stay smooth, and I'm out. Peace.